Sharing your life with a pet is incredibly rewarding, but it also comes with a unique challenge. Pet hair. Whether you have a dog, a cat, or a rabbit, shedding is a natural part of their lives. While we adore our furry friends, finding their hair on our clothes, furniture, and even in our food can be frustrating. Pet hair is not just an aesthetic problem. It can trigger allergies in some people, leading to sneezing, itchy eyes, and skin irritation. For those with asthma, pet dander, or dead skin cells can exacerbate respiratory issues. Fortunately, there are many simple and effective ways to keep pet hair under control. By understanding the source of the problem and adopting practical cleaning strategies, you can create a cleaner and healthier living environment for both you and your beloved pet. Remember, a little effort goes a long way in maintaining a harmonious balance between enjoying your pet's company and keeping your home clean. Before we get into the details, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. One of the most effective ways to minimize pet hair around your home is to establish a regular grooming routine for your furry friend. Regular brushing removes loose hair before it has a chance to land on your furniture and floors. For dogs, the type of brush you use will depend on their coat type. Short-haired breeds may only need a rubber curry brush or a grooming mitt. Long-haired breeds, on the other hand, will benefit from regular brushing with a slicker brush or a de-shedding tool to prevent mats and tangles. Cats, despite their meticulous self-grooming habits, also benefit from regular brushing. A slicker brush or a fine-toothed comb can help remove loose hair and prevent hairballs. During shedding season, you may need to brush your cat daily. Regular grooming not only reduces shedding, but also strengthens the bond between you and your pet. Make it a positive experience by using treats and praise, and your pet will learn to look forward to grooming time. Having the right tools can make all the difference in your battle against pet hair. Here are some essential items to add to your cleaning arsenal. A good vacuum cleaner. Look for a vacuum with strong suction and a HEPA filter to trap allergens. A model with specialized pet hair attachments, such as a turbo brush or upholstery tool, can be particularly helpful. Lint rollers. These sticky wonders are indispensable for quickly removing pet hair from clothing, furniture, and car interiors. Keep a lint roller handy in your purse, car, and home office. Rubber gloves. Dampened rubber gloves work wonders on upholstery. Simply run your hand over the surface, and the hair will cling to the gloves. Microfiber cloths. These cloths are excellent for attracting and trapping dust and pet hair. Slightly dampen a microfiber cloth and use it to wipe down surfaces. Furniture covers. Consider using washable furniture covers, especially if your pet is a frequent shedder. Choose covers made from durable, easy-to-clean fabrics. Tailored tactics. Conquering pet hair on any surface. Different surfaces require different cleaning approaches. Here's how to tackle pet hair on various areas of your home. Carpets. Vacuum carpets regularly, using slow, overlapping strokes to ensure you pick up all the embedded hair. If your vacuum has a height adjustment, set it to the appropriate level for your carpet pile. Upholstery. Use a lint roller, rubber gloves, or a vacuum cleaner with an upholstery attachment to remove hair from furniture. For delicate fabrics, test a small, inconspicuous area first. Clothing. Before washing clothes, use a lint roller or a damp sponge to remove excess pet hair. Adding a dryer sheet to the dryer can also help reduce static cling, which attracts hair. Hard floors. Sweep or vacuum hard floors regularly. A dust mop with a microfiber head can also effectively pick up pet hair. Airborne hair. Change your air filters regularly, and consider using an air purifier with a HEPA filter to remove airborne pet dander and allergens. Let us know in the comments about your go-to pet hair control methods. You know, we do love to hear from you. Prevention is key, staying ahead of the shedding game. While you can't stop your pet from shedding altogether, you can take steps to minimize the amount of hair that ends up in your home. Feed a high-quality diet. A balanced and nutritious diet can improve your pet's coat health, reducing shedding. Manage stress. Stress can lead to increased shedding. Provide your pet with plenty of exercise, mental stimulation, and opportunities to relax. Designated pet areas. Consider creating designated pet areas with washable bedding and throws. This will help contain shedding to specific areas of your home. Regular vet checkups. Excessive shedding can sometimes be a sign of an underlying health condition. Regular vet checkups can help ensure your pet is healthy and identify any potential issues. By following these tips, you can create a cleaner and more enjoyable living environment for both you and your furry companion. Remember, A little effort goes a long way in maintaining a happy and hair-free home. Thanks for stopping in today, and we'll see you in the next video.